Let's set up a tent. Let's take an evening walk of the farm with me. You can see the beautiful sunset from here. This is an awesome campsite. It's very large, clean, and grassy with a super amazing host. There are also super sweet animals and some incredible views and a lovely setting. See the lavender bushes on one side and the vineyard on the other side. Each site is large and clean with picnic tables, campfiring, and solar lights. This is totally kid-friendly and there is a lot of open space to run around and play. This is just what we needed. A perfect place for us. Now it's time for a campfire and a barbecue. Over the fire.
Oh, nothing will happen. Don't worry. It's okay. Come on, you are anything.
Give me that. Oh, we're eating s'mores.
Yeah. Hey.
here is host Terri with us.
Hi, how are you this morning?
I'm really good.
Good.
So can you tell us something about the farm?
Absolutely. We are here in the Meadows of Isleton, and we have alpacas and cows and goats and chickens. I know there's a lot, right?
Yeah.
Did you have a chance to feed any of the animals? Oh, they're pretty cool, huh? I like that. Very good. Yeah, and then we also have lavender. So we have fresh lavender. You can see this right here. Let's grab, huh? Did you smell that?
Wow.
It is, huh? It smells very good. And then we have honey too. We have honey. We have bees on the other side. So we have our own bees. And you can buy the honey from our farm. So we also have that. And we have about 20 beehives. So they work. Bees are always working to get some honey. Pretty cool, huh? Would you like to go and see some of the animals?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go on in. We're going to go feed the alpacas. That's Lucy. Okay, ready? Let's come on over. We're going to go around this way. Come with me, sweetie. We're going to come around this way and let's go. You guys have a good time last night? Camping? That was pretty cool, huh? You guys had some good weather. Oh, look at, first of all, we have Jessie. Look at that. So we have Jessie. Jessie, come here.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi, Jessie. This is Jessie. He's one of our goats. We have 4 goats. This is just one of them. Oh, look at, he wants to go home with his brothers. He wants to go home with his brothers. Pretty cool, huh? Let's go feed the alpacas. Thank you, girls. Look at that. This is a 1950 tractor. It's really old. It is. Yep. It doesn't run any longer, so we just have it here so you can take pictures. Look at that. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's come on over here. And then we will come over and we will feed the alpacas.
You guys can see this super cute puppy named Lucy that follows Terri all around.
You know what? The alpacas have already been fed. I guess they fed them already this morning. But we can see them over here. Here are the alpacas. So we have 7 alpacas. They're all girls. And they live here, and all they have to do is just have fun. So they like to eat every day. They eat twice a day. Look at, they love dogs. See how they're coming up to see Lucy?
Yeah.
They love Lucy. Look at them. They want to see what she's up to. So alpacas are actually part of the camel family. And so they're different than llamas. These are smaller girls, and they don't tend to spit at people. That's pretty cool. This one right here is Coco. Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco.
She said hi. Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco.
Hello, Coco. And then there's Betty over there, and Olivia. They're pretty big, huh? Oh, she just sneezed. Oh, God bless you. Bless you. Oh, bless you. Let's come on over and let's see if we can. Let's come on over here. And we can look at the cows. I'll show you where we actually keep all the hay. Here they are. Come on in here. This is where we keep all their hay. Come on in. Come on in. See right here? This is the hay for the cows. And this is the hay for the goats and the alpacas. They're right here. Come on in. And what you can do is take some of this hay and you can feed them the hay. Watch. Come here. You want some? This is Sweet Roy. This is Roy. Roy will actually eat the hay. There you go. look at, he's looking it out. Oh, he's like, oh, he sees people out there. Oh, he's having his breakfast already, right, Roy? Melvin, Melvin, come here, Mel. Here comes Melvin. Melvin is about 1,000 pounds. It's a lot, huh? We'll just go ahead and put that down for them. Perfect. And they'll eat that later, right? Oh, here's Lucy. Lucy will go in with the cows. She's not afraid of them, huh? Okay, let's head back out. And now you can see the rest of the farm. So we have camping here, because you guys camp here, right? There's your spot over there. So we have camping, and then we have all of the grape vineyards down here. Lots and lots of grape vineyards. There's almost 600 acres of grapes. It's a lot of grapes, right? Thank you for coming, sweetie. Say goodbye. Say bye. Bye.
So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.